Welcome to WeSo Health Tips, where healing traditions meet modern truths. Today's episode is bursting with citrus, from legendary origins and nutrient power to rituals, remedies, and flavor through the seasons. Let's zest things up. All citrus fruits descend from just three original ancestors: mandarin orange, Citrus reticulata; pomelo, Citrus maxima; citron, Citrus medica. Through centuries of cultivation and hybridization, these gave rise to lemons and limes, hybrids of citron and bitter orange; sweet oranges, pomelo times mandarin; grapefruit, pomelo times sweet orange; tangerines, clementines, mandarin-based hybrids; yuzu, sadachi, kabosu, prized in Japanese cuisine and medicine; calamandan, tangelo, orangello, fusion fruits with unique zest. Even exotic types like Buddha's hand, a fragrant citron cultivar; and kumquat, technically not true citrus, but close in genetics and use, enrich the diversity. Traditional healers across cultures turned citrus into remedies long before lab-based supplements. Digestive and cleansing. Lemon water, ancient Ayurvedic remedy to stimulate digestion and detoxify. Citron peel, used in Chinese medicine to soothe bloating and nausea. Grapefruit bitters, historically used to aid liver health and fat metabolism. Immune boosters. Guava leaf tea, Caribbean remedy for colds and sore throat. Pomelo juice, prescribed in Thai and Filipino traditions to fight fatigue and flu. Orange peel steam, folk remedy for clearing sinuses and chest congestion. Skin and beauty traditions. Citrus masks. In African and Indian traditions, ground orange or lemon peel was used to brighten skin and clear blemishes. Citron oil, used in Mediterranean perfumery and calming balms. Nutritional breakdown. Guava 228 mg vitamin C fiber, folate, antioxidants. Pomelo 193 mg vitamin C pectin, potassium. Orange 53 mg vitamin C flavonoids, soluble fiber. Lemon 53 mg vitamin C citric acid, potassium. Grapefruit 34 mg vitamin C lycopene, red variety, vitamin A. Clementine 48 mg vitamin C easy to digest sugars, fiber. Tangerine 27 mg vitamin C B vitamins, natural sweetness. Citrus fruits also deliver flavonoids, support immune strength and reduce inflammation. Fiber, boosts gut health and cholesterol balance. Potassium, stabilizes blood pressure and muscle function. Folate and B vitamins, vital for energy, cell growth, and mental clarity. Rituals, symbolism and cultural superstitions. Pomelo, offered on Lunar New Year altars as a symbol of luck and abundance. Oranges, gifted in Chinese homes during festivals to roll in fortune. Lemons, hung in Indian and Afro-Caribbean homes to ward off bad energy. Buddha's hand, given as a spiritual offering in Southeast Asian temples. Calamandan, used in Filipino cleansing rituals and wedding feasts. Seasonal sourcing and sustainability. Guava August to October, often locally grown in tropical zones. Pomelo December to February, harvested during dry season festivals. Orange, November to May, easily grown in warm, humid climates. Lemon, year-round, regrows quickly, ideal for kitchen pots. Grapefruit, November to May, commercially available, but water-heavy. Clementine, November to January, often small farms sourced in winter. Want eco-friendly citrus? Choose local, seasonal varieties to reduce shipping impact, and reuse citrus peels to make natural cleaners, potpourri, or garden repellents. Citrus in culinary culture. Guava jelly, pomelo salad, and orange glazed meats show citrus's versatility in kitchens. Zests and juices are blended into Caribbean sorrels, Indian chutneys, Mediterranean marinades, and global desserts. Even the bitter rind finds life in candies, infusions, and fermented tonics. Whether it's guava's healing history or pomelo's cultural sparkle, citrus fruits connect the body, soul, and story. They're not just pantry staples, they're tradition-rich, nutrient-packed companions in your health journey. Keep exploring, keep tasting, and as always, keep things we so wise.